Ayan, ganito kaganda dito sa Casa Batik, guys. Sobrang ganda, daming bulaklak at may enjoy ng mga bata kasi maraming pwede nila takbo-takbuhan. Tulad namin na meron kaming baby na 2 years old tsaka 3 years old. Ayan, takbo ng takbo. Hindi ka matatakot na madadapa sila. Ay, Gavin Kel. Ooh. Daming tao nagpipiknik dito, guys.
No.
What's that? It's a tree trunk. Look at that. What's that? It's a drone. Yeah, it is a drone. Oh, there's a bird. Hey, look at the drone. Say hi to the drone. Hi. Hi ka sa drone. Hi. It's a drone. Sobrang luwang, guys. Ganda ng kahoy, oh. Ayan, ilaw. Look at the drone. Here, upstairs. Hi, there. Hi. It's a balloon. Oh, it's going down.